Hello, dear students.
Hello, Mr. Amaya.
Okay, thank you for coming today. Today we have a new topic. The topic today is about means of transportation. So means of transportation, try to think about that. I'm going to give you an example. What is transportation? What kind of means of transportation we have in Nicaragua?
Bus.
Yes, a bus, for example. Yes, we have a bus, right? We have a bus. What else? Taxi. What else?
Airplane.
Airplane, exactly. So that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. I'm going to show you some pictures to practice the vocabulary, okay? Yes. I'm not good at drawing, so that's what I decided to bring some pictures, okay? So I'm gonna show you the picture. If you know the name, so you are going to tell me. If not, I'm going to tell you, okay? Got it. So what is this? A microbus. Very good. Everybody repeat after me. Microbus.
Microbus.
What about this one?
Airplane.
Airplane. Everybody repeat after me. Airplane.
Airplane.
Very good. What about this one? Ah, yeah. This is the schedule. Repeat after me. Schedule.
Schedule.
Yes. The schedule is when we, for example, check when a bus is going to leave, or if we are in the airport, if we are at the airport, so we check the schedule of the planes. Yes. Very good. So what about this one?
Bus.
This is a bus, right? A bus. Next. Caponera. Yes. This is a motorcycle that we in Nicaragua we call caponera. But for example, if you go to, like, I don't know, if you go to a different country, they call it tuk-tuk, okay? Yes. What about this one? Motorcycle. Everybody repeat after me. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Very good. Next, we have? Sorry? Bicycle. Everybody repeat after me. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Very good. Well, then we have what?
Taxi.
A taxi. Very good. Okay. And the other name that we have in taxi, for example, in the United States, they say cab. Repeat after me. Cab.
Cab.
Cab and taxi is the same. Okay. And what about this one? Bark? No. Boat. Very good. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Boat.
Boat.
Yes. Have you traveled in a boat? ¿Han viajado en avión?
Yes.
Sorry, en bote. Yes. You? Yes. Me too. Okay? Yeah, very good. Clap for him. Clap for you guys. Good job. Okay, now we are going to practice the grammar. We are going to practice the grammar that we are going to use with means of transportation. Here we go. Well, guys, so now we have 4 different prepositions, okay? We have 4 different prepositions that we use when we talk about transportation. For example, in my case, for example, when I go to work, I go by car, okay? But now let me ask you, how do you get to school? For example, how do you get to school?
Bus.
By bus, exactly. So, by bus. Okay, repeat after me. You, repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school by bus.
Very good. Clap for him. Claps. Excellent. So, again, when we travel in a vehicle, which is a transportation, so we use the preposition by, okay? By bus, by taxi, by caponera, by car, etc. Okay? Got it? Good. So now let's talk about the preposition on. When do we use the preposition on, ladies? When I use the preposition on is, for example, when you go, okay, how do you go to school? How do you get to school? Okay? So you say on foot. Repeat after me. On foot, that we call in Spanish a pie, okay? On foot. So again, we are different and we go to school or different places in different means of transportation. If you go to school like this, it's because you go on foot. We don't use the preposition by. It's not correct if I say, for example, by foot. It's not correct, okay? So you better say on foot. Now repeat again, you. How do you get to school? On foot. Very good. Clap for her. Excellent. Well, and now let's look here on the board. So we have two more prepositions. We have the preposition from. Repeat after me. From. And we have the preposition to. Okay, again. Exactly. When do we use the preposition from? For example, if I go from Managua, and I use the preposition to, which is my destination, for example, from Managua to Granada. So I am here, but I need to go here. So I say from Managua to Granada. Okay? Got it? So to talk about and make the difference from one place to another. Okay? Got it? Okay. Clap for you guys. Excellent. Well, now we have some examples. And yeah, I'm going to ask some of you guys, I need two volunteers. Okay, to come here in front of the class. Two volunteers, okay? Yes, one, and you too. Come here in front, please. Come here. With your chairs. Okay, bring your chairs. Bring your chairs, yes, please. Okay, yes, sit here. And you sit here. Remember, everybody, look, face to face, okay? Face to face. Yes. Well, guys, so now we are going to practice again the grammar, but this time I need two volunteers, and I want you to pay attention because all of you are going to do the same thing. So you're going to ask this question. How do you get to school? For example, you're going to, I get to space. You are going to write the place, then another space, the preposition, and then the mean of transportation. Okay? The means of transportation. Okay, now let's do it. Let's practice. You're going to ask her the question and she's going to answer using the correct information. Okay? Got it. Here we go. Listen, please. Listen.
How do you get to school?
I get to school by
Bus.
Bus.
Very good. Exact. I get to school by bus. Very good. Now you are going to ask him the question.
How do you get to school?
I get to school by bus, means of transportation.
Very good. Okay, clap for them. Claps. Clap for them. Okay, back to your places. Back to your places. Now you guys are going to do the same thing. You're going to get, back to your places, please. Well, now everybody get together in pairs. Get together in pairs, face to face. You, face to face. Sir, face to face with her. And you are going to ask the same question. How do you get to school? Okay? Okay? Ready? Ready? Yes. Okay, face to face. You too? You two, and you three. You three.
Adriana, how do you head to school?
On foot.
Gilbert, how do you go to school?
By caponera.
Very good job, guys. So now class for you. Good. Well, remember that you already talked about how you get to school. But now we are going to think about how can we get to different cities in Nicaragua, okay? For this question, we need something like this. We need to ask something like this. How can I get to Masaya from Managua? Please, everybody, repeat after me. How can I get to Masaya from Managua? Everybody, repeat after me. How can I get to Masaya from Managua? Okay, what do I need to go? Can I go to Masaya on foot? Can I go to Masaya on foot? No. How? By? Sorry? By bus? Only by bus, only. By microbus? By microbus. Remember, no bus, microbus. Very good. Only with by bus and by microbus. By car. Very good. Okay, clap for you guys. Excellent. Well, now listen this time. You now are going to ask your classmate about different cities. And the cities are, Granada, Ometepe Island, Bluefields, and Carazo. Listen to me. You have now 4 different destinations, and you are going to ask your peers about how can you get to, for example, Granada from Managua. So our reference point is Managua. We are in the city, right? So you're going to ask your classmate about the different cities. How can I get to Granada? How can I get to Ometepe Island? How can I get to Bluefields? And how can I get to Carazo? Okay? Now, please, everybody repeat after me. Granada. Ometepe Island. Bluefields. Carazo. Now, you are going to repeat, and I'm just going to listen, okay? Very good. Excellent. Clap for you guys. Okay? Now, we are going to do it in this way. Now, we are going to make a circle. Okay? We are going to make a circle about 6 people in a circle. 3 people sitting down and 3 people standing up in front of each of you. For example, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, and 1 and 1. So 6 people in total. 3 people sitting down and 3 standing up. Okay? So got it. You 3, come here, please. I need 3 more people here. Yes, you 3. Okay, go guys.
How can I get to Bluefield?
By plane or by boat.
Good job, guys. Clap for you. Excellent. Good job. Perfect. Well, remember that today we learned 4 different prepositions, right? So can you give me the preposition today that we practiced today? The preposition on. Yes, on. What else? By. What other? From. Very good. And to. The preposition to. Clap for you guys. Good. So now let me ask you something. Let me ask you something right now. Can I use the preposition, can I say by foot? Is that correct? By foot? No. Why? We say on foot. When do I use the preposition by? To talk about? For example, give me an example. By bus, give me by car, by taxi, etc. Right? Very good. Class for you again. Excellent. Good job. So now we have the homework. Please, everybody, copy the homework. Okay, here we go. So you are going to look for 4 different places, and you are going to tell your class, your peers, your classmates, how can you get to those places, okay? So similar like the activities that we did today, okay? Any questions so far? Any question? No question. Okay, thank you for coming today and see you tomorrow. Class for you guys.